teacher. Hello, students. Welcome to our third lesson on logic. In the last lesson, we learned about compound statements, truth tables, and the properties of conjunction and disjunction. Today, we will learn De Morgan's laws and define the terms contradiction and tautology. We will also learn to determine the equivalence and the converse of given compound statements. Are you ready, students? We will begin by defining De Morgan's laws. They state that for any propositions P and Q, the negation of P or the negation of Q is equivalent to the negation of P and Q. We can prove this statement using a truth table. The other law is the negation of P and the negation of Q is equivalent to the negation of P or Q. This can also be proven using a truth table. These are simple laws, but they will prove very useful to us as we learn more about mathematical reasoning. Now that we have learned about De Morgan's laws, let us try an activity. Working with a partner, complete a truth table for this compound proposition.
Students, let's get ready. Begin.